This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the top of the luggage compartment side panel inwards and remove it. Release the two clips and pull the bulb holder assembly from the light unit. Press the relevant bulb in slightly, twist it anti-clockwise and pull it from the bulb holder. Align the bayonet pins on the bulb with the slots in the bulb holder, then press it in and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Note that most bulbs will only fit correctly in one position. Maneuver the bulb holder into position, then press it into place to engage the retaining clips. Refit the luggage compartment side panel.